Please state your first name.
Carol.
And what symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I had neck, shoulder, and low back pain.
Okay. What was the severity of those symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10?
Probably about an 8 or 9.
Okay. And how was your problem affecting your daily life?
It made it difficult, just to move around. Even I go exercise at the Y, so, but, and that really helped keep you moving, but still, I still had the pain.
Mm-hmm.
So,
what services did you receive at Palmetto Physical
I
Medicine?
received the trigger point shots, massage therapy, chiropractic adjustment, physical therapy, and massage therapy.
Okay. And what has your experience been like?
It's been wonderful, and my pain is almost gone.
Yeah. How has your life changed?
It just makes everything more enjoyable and easier. I can go shopping with the girls and go out to lunch and, just keep going and not have the pain and feel tired because of the pain, So
And would you recommend Palmetto to your friends and family?
I would.
Wonderful.
I have.
Thank you.
You're welcome.